how to show anger in different ways. Actually, I'm not angry right now, but let's learn different phrases how to show anger. Number 1, I'm steaming after seeing your comment. Number 2, I was seething with anger yesterday when I saw those negative comments. And I'm boiling right now as I can't reply to your comments. And when my friends read all these comments, they were livid. And I'm seeing red after your criticism. And please don't take it serious. I hope that you won't believe those words what I said before. I just tried to teach you expressions. I'm not furious at all. Absolutely not. I'm in a fantastic mood. And I love all my subscribers, all my followers, and even those people who leave negative comments. I love you all. See you in the next video.